Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing Tackle channel. Another unboxing video for you from Fisherman's Source. Let's check him out. Got a bunch of mustad on sale from Fisherman's Source. They don't sponsor me. I buy everything with my own money. I ordered this on Sunday and they shipped it on Monday, and it came today. It arrived on UPS Tuesday. So they're very fast, so you'll get your stuff. If you live in Delaware, Maryland, in the East Coast near New Jersey and New York, that's where they ship from. So it'll come within a day. They process it so fast. They're amazing. That's why I keep going back to these guys, and they have really good sale prices. I've had like unbelievable prices. I think I got these anywhere between like $9 and $12 on sale. They would normally, with 250 grams, should cost at least like $16-20 or more. Stagger bod mustad, high premium, ultra point assist hooks. So they're awesome. Daiwa, I got 180 grams. So if you're wondering, I'll probably try to use this if on towel fishing. This is probably not going to do. With 250 grams, if we're fishing anywhere between 200 and 300 feet of water, just think of 1 gram per foot on the depth of where the captain fish. So if it's like 250 feet of water, this will work anywhere between 200 or 250 or lower. And if the current's not that strong or the drift isn't that bad, this will work. Same thing for this. This will definitely cover anything from 100 up to 180 feet of water. I mean, yeah, 180 feet of water. But you just got to compensate the 20 feet, 20 extra grams if there is a stronger water current. 20 to 50 grams maybe. But you just have to figure that out. Based on size of the boat, how deep it is, what kind of gear you use. Again, if you're using super light gear, this isn't going to work. You should be using smaller gram jigs, but these are for deep sea fishing, 320 grams as well. And this is another great price. Again, it's on sale right now. Go check them out at Fisherman's Source. I highly recommend them because I just keep going back. When they have sale and good prices, you got to get them, because all these stuff that I buy or I bought in the past if you go check out my videos, the prices are like double, tripled. You can't get it for a better price on Amazon or anywhere else. Once they are out, they're out. The whole tariff and inflation is going to continue to drive the price up for quite a while or forever. So I'm just loading up on them while it's still cheap. I think these are sort of the leftover ones at this point. And then flounder silicone skirt. I've tried. I went one day fishing only with these guys, and I've caught like almost maybe 6, 7, or 8 with at least 2 keepers of flounder. And I always get like at least 2 keepers or more on flounders when I use these silicone skirt jigs. They call it right here, with these hooks, round long hooks or something like that. And I've tried some other bucktails. Something about the weight here, the size of the hook, just the overall setup. The Tsunami has it right. And when I look at other people being successful, they all use this too. So go check him out. If you guys are struggling to catch any flounder, trust me, get one of these, whether you use it with the bucktail or 2 of these on a double setup. I guarantee you're going to catch a handful of flounders. So I highly recommend them. And on Fisherman's Source, they're pretty good price. Sometimes they're on sale for like $1.99, but regular prices are somewhere between $2.99 and $3.15. It's some off price. But you just got to get about $50 worth of it. It's a free shipping. And yeah, that's about it. Anyways, leave a comment as well as like this video to get my views going. And for my channel, I want to continue to grow my channel and show you guys different kinds of jigs and fishing tackles out there. for you guys to check out. I'm going to continue to feature new kinds of jigs as well as different tackles, hopefully. And if you guys are in the sales industry or want me to feature it, please just send me an email and I'll be happy to do it. Anyways, thanks for watching again. I'll talk to you guys later.